Hello everyone. Last class we are doing admission of a partner, the basic part. Today we will solve some questions from NCERT book. Okay? We will do some question from NCERT book, page number 167. Page number 167. Okay? So the first question we have discussed already, how to find out new profit sharing ratio. Okay? So see the question. Question number 1, book question 1. A, B were partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. See, A, B are partner, A and B are partner. Their ratio is 3:2. Okay? They admitted as a new partner on C, and C share is 1/6. Before the admission of C, their share was 3:2. Now C is admitted in the business and C will get 1/6. After the admission of C, the ratio will change. The profit sharing ratio will be changed. So here the question asks that calculate the new profit sharing ratio. That is book question 1, NCERT book question 1. We have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So how to calculate C? Right here we will assume that let the total profit share be 1. Let the total profit share be 1. So who is the new partner here? C is the new partner, and C share is, she should get how much? C share is 1/6. Out of 1, she should get 1/6. So we assume that total share is 1 and C should get 1/6. So we will minus 1 minus 1/6, the remaining share. So therefore the remaining equal to 1 minus 1/6. So if you minus 1 minus 1/6, 6 minus 1/6, that is 5/6. Now we have to find out the new profit sharing ratio of A and B. So A share equal to S, new profit share equal to here. A's old ratio is 3:2. A's old ratio is 3:2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3/5 multiplied by remaining share, that is 5/6. 3 5 is 15, 30. Okay, now B also same. This new profit share equal to 2. This is for A and this is for B. 2/5 into remaining 5/6. 2 5 is 10/30. So C, already we know that C share is 1/6. So to make it 30, we have to multiply how much? Divided by 30 will be 6/6. So it will be 6/5/5. To make it 30, okay? So the answer will be 5/30. Therefore, the new profit sharing ratio equal to new profit sharing ratio of A is to B is to C is equal to 15/30, 10/30 and 5/30. So if you add it, 15:10:5. So 3 is to 2 is to 1. That is the new profit sharing ratio. A is to B is to C. That is question number 1. Okay. Now we will do question number 2. See, in the question number 2 is given A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. They admitted D for 10% profit. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So this is also same as question number 1. The thing is that here 3 partner is there. Old partner is 3 and new partner 1, that is D. Total partner is 4. In question number 1 is given C 1 by 6 and here given D 10%. So that percent 10% we have to convert it by fraction, that is 10 by 100. So if you cut it, it will be 1 by 10. That question number 2 is same as question number 1. So you can try at home. Question number 3. X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in ratio 5 is to 3. There is 2 partner X and Y. Okay. X share is 5 and Y share is 3. Before the admission of Z. Now as Z get admitted into the partnership firm and Z should get 1 by 10 of share. So 1 by 10 of share which is acquired equally for X and Y. That means this 1 by 10 will be given equally by X and Y. That means 1 by equally means 1 is to 1. So Z will get 1 by 10 into 1 by 2 from X. Same 1 by 10 into 1 by 2 from Y. Since this is given equally. So calculate new profit sharing ratio. So you have to find out same as question number 1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So how to calculate new profit sharing ratio? See, this is given question number 3. All ratio of X is to Y is given 3 is to 5 is to 3 and Z share, Z is a new partner, Z share is equal to how much given? 1 by 10. Okay, this 1 by 10 will give by X and Y in equal ratio from their share, that is their old share. Okay, so therefore X new share will be X new share will be how much? X 5 by 8 minus will give 1 by 10 into half. Okay, 1 by 10 is Z share and X will give half of 1 by 10. So how much the remaining amount? 20. So if you take LCM, it will be 40. Okay. So 2, 8, 5, 40, 25. So 23 by 40. Okay. 40 divided by 8. 5, 5, 5 is 35, 20 divided by 42, 1 is 2, that is 23 by 40, X remaining share. Okay, that is called new share. Now same Y new share. I will find out same old share 3 by 8 minus Z share is 1 by 10. X also give half of Z share, that is half 1 by 10 into half. So we will solve it again. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 20. So it will be LCM will be 40. 4 5 ja 5 3 is 15 minus 2. That is 13 by 40. Okay. So Z is 1 by 10. So right here. Z share is equal to 1 by 10 to make it 40. You to multiply 4 by 4. That will be 4 by 40. Therefore, new profit share of X is to Y is to Z equal to how much? 23 by 40. Y is 13 by 40 and Z is 4 by 40. So if you cut it, the answer will be 23 is to 13 is to 4. That is the new share of X, Y and Z. That is one. Now question number 4. That is the next page 168, book question 4. Book question 4 says that A, B and C are partners, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:1. D is admitted. D is admitted for 1 by 8 share, which he equate entirely from A. That means D is admitted for 1 by 8 share and A, B and C are the old partners. This share of profit will be given by A only. Okay, that means B and C share remain same. So what you are asked to find out, calculate new profit sharing ratio of A, B, C and D. Number 4, page number 168, book question 4. So it's given old ratio of A is to B is to C is given how much? 2 is to 1. That is the old ratio of A is to B is to C. Now who is the new partner? D is a new partner. D share is equal to 1 by 8 and this share will be given by only A. Yes, A will give the 1 by 8 share will be given by A. This remaining two partners will not give. That means the remaining two partners B and C will remain same. So the changes will come only for A. So we write here A's new share equal to old share is 2 by 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. 2 by 5 minus this share. Why? Because in the question mentioned that this share will be given by A only. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 8. Same 40. 5 is just 16 minus 5. That will be 11 by 40. Okay. Now B, C will remain same. So this new share equal to same as 2 by 5 to make it 40, 8 by 8, 16 by 40. Same for C also. C's new share equal to 1 by 5 into 8 by 8. That is 8 by 40. Now D already we know that 1 by 8. To change it, to multiply 5 by 5. That is 5 by 40. Therefore, new profit here of A is to B is to C is to D is equal to A how much? 11 by 40 is to B is 16 by 40, D is 8 by 40, C is 8 by 40 and D is 5 by 40. Cancel it. The answer will be 11 is to 16 is to 8 is to 5. That is the new profit sharing of A is to B is to C is to D after D admitted and D get the share from A only and the remaining two partners remain same. Sometimes happen. Next question is question number 5, page 168, question number 5. If you didn't get the book, you can download from Play Store. P and Q are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:1. The admitted are into the partnership given 1/5 share, which is equal from P and Q. That means this amount is given by this share 1/5 is given by P and Q in the ratio 1:2. Same question as question number 3. Same question, but the change is in question number 3 it says that equally, and question number 5 says that 1:2. So what do you have to do? See, we have to minus P is suppose 2/3. Okay, question number 4 is done. Question number 5, do as homework. Now question number 6. Question number 6 says that A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss 3:2:2. So given question number 6, all ratio of A is to B is to C is equal to 3:2:2. They admitted D as a partner for 1/5. So this share is equal to, D is a new partner, D should get 1/5. Who will give 1/5 to D? This 3 partner is given the question. We will give A, B and C in ratio 2:1. Okay? 2:1. A will give 2/5, B 2/5 and C 1/5. So you have to find out new profit sharing ratio of A is to B is to C. So S new share is equal to 3/7 minus 1/5 into 2/5. So 3/7 minus 202, 5 5 ja 25. So if you take the LCM, so it will be 175. Okay? So 175 divided by 7 into 3, it will be 75 minus 40. 25 divided by 175 into 2. The answer will be 61/175 for A's new share. Next, for B's new share, same. B's new share is equal to 2/7 minus again 1/5 of B will give 2/5. So if you multiply 2 minus 25. Same as we'll take LCM 175. 175. So 175 divided by 7 into 2. That will be 50. Same minus 14. So 14 minus 7 is 36/175. That is B. Now we'll find out for C. C's new share is equal to 2/7 minus 1/5 into 1/5. The LCM will be 2/7 minus 1/25. Okay? So we'll take the LCM same 175. So 575 divided by 7 into 2, 50 minus 7. That will be 43/175. That is up to C. So A got it, B and C. D already we know 1/5. But you have to make it denominator 1/75. So this new share equal to, we know 1/5. To make it 175, we have to multiply by 35/35. So 35/175. Therefore, new profit share of A is to B is to C is to D equal to 61/175 is to 36/175 is to 43/175 is to 35/175. Got it? 61 is to 36 is to 43 is to 35. That is the new ratio of A is to B is to C is to D after the addition of D. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. This also do as homework. We will do question number 11 directly. Question number 11. We will find out sacrificing ratio. How to find out sacrificing ratio? So it's given. Question number 11. Sandeep and Nandeep are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 5:3. That is the old ratio is given 5:3. They admitted C into the partnership firm and the new profit sharing was agreed 4:2:1. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. So you are asked to find out sacrificing ratio. What is called sacrificing ratio? I have already discussed in the last class. Sacrificing ratio means the old partner will surrender or give their share of profit for the new partner. Okay? Sacrificing ratio formula is what? Formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Okay? So it's given in the 11. Old ratio of Sandeep is to Nandeep is equal to 5:3 is given. Old ratio of Sandeep is to Nandeep 5:3. Who get admitted? C get admitted. They admitted C into the partnership firm. After getting the admission of C, new ratio become like this. Sandeep is equal to 4:2:1. So now the question arises: how much Sandeep and Nandeep sacrifice for the new partner? So we have to find out the sacrificing ratio. So we find out sacrificing ratio. The formula is old ratio minus new ratio. So how will find out? For S the Sandeep, old ratio is 5/9, new is 4/7. 4 plus 6, 7. So the LCM will be 63. 35 minus 34. So it is 1/63 for Sandeep. Sandeep give 1/63 of C share. Next for Nandeep, same 3/9, that is the old ratio, minus 2/7. 63, 21 minus 18. That is 3/63. The answer will be sacrificing ratio of Sandeep to Nandeep is equal to 1/63 is to 3/63. If you carry 1:3, that is the answer. Okay? So, we'll discuss in the next video about the goodwill of firm, that is about the goodwill of partnership firm. So we'll do the journal entries, and after that we'll do the journal of accumulated profit. After that we'll do how to prepare revaluation account. Okay, so in the next video we'll go to goodwill. Thank you very much.